bienvenue à la classe aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer avec le français. Nous sommes maintenant à l'unité 3 et nous allons apprendre des nouvelles choses comme les adjectifs possessifs, parler, comment présenter les membres d'une famille et tout ça. Here we are going to learn some few new things. We are in unit 3 now, and this is the first lesson in unit 3. So we are going to start with the possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Comme il se doit, like it is said, the same way it is in English. Possessive adjective, to possess something, my thing, your thing, his or hers, yours, and her thing. So now let's go ahead to see what we have here. So if you look at this slide, we have the adjective possessive. These are the possessive adjectives we have in French. All. And like I used to say, French is gender specific. So here we have the masculine possessive adjective, the feminine possessive adjective, and the plural. Those are basically what we have in French. And in this possessive adjective, what you need to take note of is what we are possessing, that is the noun we are possessing, is the most important here, and not the person speaking. And not the person speaking. So if we take note of this simple rule, la personne qui parle, we are most concerned about the noun we are possessing, not the person speaking. So in that essence, irrespective of the person speaking, either masculine or feminine, this rule here applies to only the noun we are possessing. For example, I can say his bag, her bag. Now in this case, the bag is the noun we are trying to possess. So either of these, we are less concerned about who is speaking. It could be a male or a female, but they have the possessive adjective that goes with this bag applies to both of them, either male or female. So let's continue. Here we have mon, which is the masculine singular. We have ma, feminine singular, and we have me for plural, irrespective of either masculine or feminine. So this means that this mon here is when we are possessing an object that is masculine and singular. For instance, bag is a masculine object. We have the sack. So bag is masculine. If I'm saying his bag or her bag, like I said, this person does not matter. This is what matters. So bag is le sac, and we say this mon is to possess a masculine singular object. So I can say my bag now becomes mon sac. Mon sac. Irrespective of the person possessing this could be for a female. If a feminine is saying my bag, she has to say mon sac as well, because the bag is what matters here. The gender of the bag is what matters. That is for masculine singular. Then we have feminine singular, which is ma. This ma here is used to possess a feminine singular object. A feminine singular object. For instance, we have montre, which is wristwatch. Montre means wristwatch. So I can say ma montre means my wristwatch, either masculine or feminine. The most important thing is the gender of the object we are possessing. So that's that. Then the third one, we have masculine plural. Here, we do not care if the gender of the object is masculine or feminine. As long as it's plural, then we can use me. So I can say my bag. I can say my bag. And as well as that, I can say my wristwatches. my bags, and my wristwatches. So let's proceed further. Then we have the second person, which is tu. Tu. So we have ton here to possess a masculine singular object for the second person this time. Then we have ta for feminine singular and te. So while this one is more, that is mine, the second person singular will be your. So I can now say your bag, your child, your car, your watch, your book, your anything, because it's the second person we're talking about now. So now the gender of the object we are trying to possess matters here as well. That's the general rule. For instance, I can say the voiture. Voiture here is a feminine object, meaning car. So I can say your car, ta voiture. Ta voiture, j'aime ta voiture. I like your car. This car may be belonging to a masculine, it could be belonging to a male, it could be belonging to a female. But the gender of the car is what matters most. That is for feminine singular object. So for masculine singular object, I can say je trouve ton livre. Je trouve ton livre. Trouver means to find. Ton, because live is a masculine object, so I have to use the masculine singular possessive pronoun. Possess it. Oh, I find your book. I find your book. This book may be belonging to a male or a female. It doesn't matter. But the gender of this book is what matters. I find your book. And if it is plural, for example, I'm saying, oh, I see somebody that has many cars, 2 or more cars. I can say, j'adore tes voitures. I've used voiture now in plural. I like your cars. I like your cars. I can say, je suis avec tes enfants. Tes enfants, your children. Oh, I am with your children. I am with your children. So now we proceed now to the third person, the first and second person. Now proceed to the third person, which is the il or elle.